Alright, hey guys, I'm gonna do another YouTube video. Excuse me. It's gonna be here with Moo Rabbit and Complex, and I'm gonna be doing robbing stores. I need to buy a new truck. I don't know if it's real good, so when I buy it, I'll show y'all what it is. Tell me in the comments below if it's good or not, you know, what the speed is, because I really need to know. And as you can see, my friend right there, he's driving this Dubsta 6x6. So, hope you enjoy. Alright, the video started. Let me change it so they can hear y'all. Go over, preferences, voice, go to both. Alright, now talk right fast. Talk. Hold on, dude. Sorry guys for the interruption, I gotta turn my TV up. Get back. Alright. Try to talk now.
What?
Come on, say it again.
What?
Alright, now they can hear you. So now I'm gonna try to go rob this gun store. Y'all think this sand key can make it through here? And we did though. Let's see if we can make it through this one.
I did like 4 times.
Oh yeah, we actually made it through there, through the deepest part of the river on that. And we're sneaking in. No, don't quit on me, truck, don't quit on me. Oh crap, no, black hole, no. Crap, we gotta cross the river. Jumped it with a rock and made it on the road. Now, ooh, that's a little bit car that I want to see if we can make that down. Y'all like that drift though? Alright, so I'm gonna rob the store. Gosh dang it. Why'd I freaking do that? And that was an epic fail.
What did you do?
I freaking bombed the ammunition store, but I still didn't. I killed the person, so I didn't even get to rob the store.
Go to the cash register.
The door's locked, I can't.
No, try shooting it.
I can't, the door's locked, I can't open the door.
What, the store door or the cash register door?
The store door.
Oh. There's so much cash register. Trying to get to...
I'm hiding behind the shop little thing.
I'm not doing it. Ah. Not taking it. Dang, freaking corn wants to play every time. I don't want to play. He's 6 and I'm 12. Big difference. On the move after I love this store. Oh, God, man. Hey, guys, I'm gonna go fix my truck right now.
Oh my gosh, still can't. What the freak? I'd seriously blow my truck up. I swear if I blew my truck up, I'm mad, dude. And I did. What the freak, man? Why'd I freaking do that? Oh. Did you ever rob a store complex?
Oh my goodness, guess how much this store had?
How much?
$1,473.
Well, send it to me.
I had 2,000. I didn't have one that do that. Oh, I still like to kill the person. I'm gonna have to rob the store for me, so why I get money so I can take my truck. Why I don't trust it.
I'm out. I almost got $1,000 for robbing 2 stores.
I got $1,000 for robbing one. Oh my goodness.
Are you ever going to send it to me?
I'm back. How do you send it? Oh, I forgot about that. Guys.
What?
Okay, I'll just send it back.
Alright. I almost got $900.
I'm gonna look. What do I have to do back? How do I send you money then? Hello?
What?
I gotta send you money, the money.
Do you want to know how to?
Yeah.
Alright, okay, you know on the, like, where you, like, the back, you know how you hold the back button down?
Yeah.
Alright, hold that down. Go to inventory, okay? Are you on inventory? Okay, go to cash. And then it'll say share cash from last job.
What?
And then you put on Gatester, like, they're all the money, okay?
I don't know. Check what it is. How much money do you need?
All of it.
He needs a lot. He needs like 33,000 something.
I'll see right now.
Where's your bills, dude?
Let's see how much it costs. Let me go here. I got $29,391, but I need $37,500. I know what can get me a bunch of money. I know what we can get a bunch of money.
Dude, this is. Oh, okay, that's fine.
Thank you, I got that money.
Oh my goodness, that was awesome.
Alright, I know what we can get. I can get a lot of money with.
Why don't we just do a mission? So I have to do one anyway for less stuff, man. But Corbin, stop. Yeah. What are we doing? Want me to freaking quit and not quit? That's it. I'm gonna do a mission and I'm gonna send it to you. I'm doing this. I'm trying to make all my friends do it and I forgot what we were doing. When y'all join the
Pause
village,
what?
I can get the link against this mission so I can give it to you.
No, I'm talking
Dude,
about.
I got last and standing. What's the last and standing?
I'm gonna go with join complex, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
We're gonna start this is the biggest app to build. And
Are you gonna invite me, complex?
What?
Did you invite me? I got
Yeah. You don't have enough money. I need to get more money. And what was it,
it.
dude?
Started.
Sam Martin doing racing.
Doing a
And
race
what?
and playlist. Doing a race and playlist. Start it. Yay.
When?
What do we gotta do?
I don't know.
You go on the snipers. Especially my mic coming play.
You ready?
Yeah, my thing come unlocked done. Ooh, I guess we got to do some missions to get some money, guys. So I was gonna quit YouTube.
Man, Jerry, Coca, where's Coca? Where's my Coca? Coca, yeah. You're gonna hit me?
Stop going on, dude. Don't go nowhere yet.
What are you doing?
Can you wait up? Sorry.
Drop.
Sorry, dude.
I can catch up with you. You're going the wrong way, dude.
I'm just taking this way. That's telling me to go.
Oh, well, you're gonna end up we're gonna end up in the same place.
You'll probably get there first.
Yeah, I know, for my motorcycle.
Well, don't get there first. Wait till I get there too.
I am. I'm dead, I'm just gonna wait.
Free. This car is so slow. Wait, where are we supposed to go? Where are we supposed to go?
Over here.
Sorry.
Oh, God. Oh, it's on the little dragon on there. What? No, I'm trying to make it different.
Dude, where are you at?
I'm on the roof.
How are you up there?
There's the ladder. But I gotta go get that K-back thing.
Hold on, wait,
So,
dude.
please don't die.
Hold on, dude.
What are you supposed to do at the bottom? What's your plan?
Ow.
Is the video still going, dude?
Yeah, the video's still going. I'm trying to do this mission, dude. Hold on. Dude, I don't see how you're up there. How'd you get up there? Show me how to get up there.
There's a ladder in the back.
I don't see it.
What's up?
Show me. Back here?
No, I didn't go back there. I'm talking on there, over there.
Over here?
There's where I got it. I don't know. I haven't went this one. I'm trying to look. I don't see no ladder to get up there, though. Do you see like a helicopter anywhere?
Oh crap, dude, I'm getting shot at. And I died. Because I found out how to go. I found out how to go.
No.
Hold on, wait. So I know I gotta kill this dude over here. There's some people over here I gotta kill.
Okay, let me come with you. Don't die this time. If you're down with hill, like go down from there. No, I'm over here. Okay, wait a minute.
Found out how to do it.
Yeah, no.
Yep, I'm up at the rooftop.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute so I can help you shoot the guy so like you don't die. I don't want to end up dying. Okay. Coming. Go up the ladder. What are you doing, dude?
They're shooting at me.
Yeah. Okay, come down. That's Carter. Cause I can't see. I can't go up.
Ah.
Go up though.
Ah.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me. Huh, they gave me $2,000 though. Hey, it gave me money, so
Want to do it again?
yeah, I'm gonna do it again. So guys, I'm trying to get some money to buy that truck I was talking about earlier. Hopefully I'll get to show you what it's like. I'm talking to the YouTube video.
What's up?
I'm talking to the YouTube video.
Alright.
Hurry up.
We're gonna have to get this one now.
Because I know where to go now.
Now I'm gonna stand on top of the other boat. Let me be a sniper.
You be a sniper.
Next to the checkpoint, like a ball. Oh, go over there.
No. I need the money. You don't.
And shoot up.
Excuse me, guys. your bike.
You want to get on my bike?
On drive. On drive, please.
Okay, fine. No, you gotta go to the yellow thing.
Hey, you're not allowed here.
Dude, I'm going up the ladder, okay?
Oh yeah, I gotta get to the yellow thing.
What, the yellow, the yellow
My
dot?
doors never came up.
You piece of shit. What's on?
I'm gonna snipe the guy, so be ready. Okay.
Let me know when you...
Come on.
Let me know when you...
Oh my god! This is Rob. My name's Jared. My name's Jeff. My name's Jared.
We got a man now. Drop that weapon. You cocksucker.
Dude, sniping.
Give me some
I
cover.
just died. Do you got to take that thing?
No, because you gotta kill this dude.
Oh my god, man, I'm dying. Hold on, back up.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, sorry, I steal. I'm joking. I got a modder.
Do not put it on hard. Because you had it on hard. Put it on medium.
How?
Switch it. Alright. Go down to replay. I forgot. Alright, then you go, okay, hold on. Wait till we get in the game.
So, okay. So should I come with you when we go, like, step onto the floors, and then should I come over to you to help you fight?
I don't care.
I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna make it way.
Alright, go down. Okay, on your setting, go all the way down, and it says difficult. And it says, really?
Sorry. What is this, dude? Dude,
Are you watching my videos?
I don't want to, dude.
Are you watching my videos, mate?
No, I'm watching Coca. Go to the other side.
Dude! Oh, yeah.
Look at berries. This kid? You can't do that if you telling me I'm gonna freaking not let you clown. Yeah, right. I don't trust people. Like my shit, I don't know. I can't. Yeah, everybody says it.
Man, forget you. I was gonna drive, you little butt. Turn around. Right there. Turn right there. Back up.
Dude, I don't I'm here. Okay.
Wrong way. Come here. Let me drive.
Okay, hold on, you go.
Here's the ladder right here, dude. Here's the ladder. Come over here.
I don't know.
Dude, there's a ladder over here.
No, I'm coming.
Well, I don't see you.
Yeah, again. You go on up. I said I am. Good. I said I'm in the ready for now. What's up? I'm gonna train up, make myself go longer. I'm ready to 99. Thank you, it's 10 range stuff that I can't. Yeah, dude. Dude, I cannot have no talking when I'm on the ramp, and when it's a hard ramp, I cannot have no talking. So, I'm not talking. Gangster.
What?
Okay, I was just checking you guys still there. And I'm gonna die. And I was right. Downtown rank reach my highest fan once I did it is reach like 99 races, dude. That's my highest fan.
Shit!
Dude, snipe him.
I can't see them.
Stop that
I'm not doing it, dude. I'm not taking on my card. Zero. I'm not on that. I'm saying on that. Dude, you can't play none of those games like this. Hey, screwed up. Damn.
Where's the freaking ladder at? Dude, I don't have no ladder. There it is, one.
What?
Where's the helicopter at?
Okay, yeah. Another in. I've seen it. Never talk over again like this. Jesus. So I'm telling you, there's no people at the helicopter because I shot them. That's why I shot them. I'm not doing this. You stop. All we gotta do is kill. Stop it, Corbin. No one. Yeah. I think all we gotta do is get to the helicopter. You're trying to get to the ladder. Don't get hit hard. You won't like. Your mom won't like you no more.
Alright, I'm about to get in the helicopter.
Phil, let me get in real fast. I did you as a friend on here.
Dude, hurry
You
up.
want me to do you as a friend on here?
Dude, there's bad helicopters on the way. Hurry up.
Alright.
I'll have to leave you, dude. Dude, there's bad people there. I gotta leave.
I can leave you on if I feel like it's something like that. Want me to?
Oh god, the freaking helicopter's starting to
I can
smoke.
leave you right now inside. You like left me now. I ain't nothing else to do.
Yeah, because it was bad. There was a big helicopter coming, and then there was a
Yeah, no,
person
I'm
at the
trying to
bottom.
get to it. I was sniping. Like I was literally like I could see you, and it would have been like another just 10 seconds, and I would have been in like 2, and you would have had someone just back you up. I'm trying to get on that. The bone.
Yes, I did it.
There. If the enemy could really, I get up here and then. Okay. Oh my god. Just dying.
Oh my gosh. And then I die. Yes, finally. We passed it. $12,000 from that.
What's for? I'm gonna put those. Ooh, put on two races. Long on.
Alright, let me just put my money in the bank.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Oh, I got enough, I think I got enough, y'all.
Oh, yeah, McFlurry. Okay, where you at?
Yep, I bought it. Bought it.
Texas.
I bought it.
Lexi sent me a message. It says, well, it looks like my problem has been solved. Thank you.
He just sent me a message. Would you look at that? My something, 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 something. That's what Lester sent me. Like, Lear, where are you?
Me?
Dang, you're on the other side of the map.
For me?
Yeah, why'd you spawn over there and I spawned over here?
I don't know. I've just been on it and you must be for the thing to get up. I'm not trying to ramp, but when I hit a ramp so bad, I'm gonna end up dying.
Oh, it's just fucked up, man. Oh, get rid.
Right back up.
Motherfucker.
Fighting things. Do something good. Even women though, they got more muscles than me. Hello?
Who?
Okay, want me to take the beef?
Yeah, stay there.
Okay, I'll be right back. I gotta go pick up my man.
So I'm going with my friend right now, guys. Oh, cars. Oh my gosh.
Alright, I'm back. Going to the beach, I'm stuck in a hole.
Hey, car, you want to race? Come on, let's race. Woo.
Oh, lollipop. Guys,
What?
yeah. Want to do this one freaking last man standing?
I'm on the clock. What you
In a
want? Some
minute.
wheels?
Yeah, in a minute.
It's coming at you.
Okay, like in here, so let's keep it. I cannot believe that just happened. Daddy, go get a four-wheeler. Four-wheeler. But I will send you guys an invite, okay? But just don't join it. Bro, you wanna go? You wanna go? Four-wheeler, see ya. Hello. Don't hit me, what are you doing?
Hey, try to make it in the back of my truck.
Okay, stay like right there so you can hit that man. So let me get top off, it's not once you get caught. So I got an invite to my game. Come on, Cops, give up already.
Hey, hurry up.
I got one star for like shooting some knife and my thing. I give up, man.
I'm gonna go mudding on my truck.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, after I go mudding, I gotta turn around.
I'm going to hit this man thing. Are you going to join or not?
No, we're not gonna join.
Why?
We
Because
don't
that's
feel
the
like
thing
it.
what you... Because you can't do it if you're going to be on my team.
First, we're trying some.
If this was, I don't want to, I'll say what, I'll do whatever Gangster does. If it doesn't work, I'll play with whatever, I'll play with you. Are you there? What, me?
Go.
Yeah, but if this doesn't work, okay, hold on. Okay, back up a little bit.
Come on.
What's so big? Yeah, it's like it's too big. You gotta have one of them pickup trucks and like the countryside. Oh, oh my god, y'all should have seen that. Y'all, that was so funny.
You see me going mudding?
Yeah.
There goes my truck.
What? Yeah.
And I tried to turn it around and it wouldn't freaking turn around. Now there goes my truck. No, you ain't gonna hit me. No. I can hear you, Dumbo. Don't even think about it. I'll shoot you. Alright, I'm joining him.
Okay.
Oh my god, I can't even join. Move. Move.
What?
I can't join. It's saying
Why?
failed to join session.
That's weird. It's like y'all, what are they playing? You get off the game. They get off the game and you get back on.
I don't feel like doing that.
Okay.
Hey, Shelly.
Let's gotta go get another 4-wheeler.
Well, I got one right here now.
I'm gonna snipe you off of it. I'm not. Did you get one right by top of the van? Yeah. Why would you go in the water?
Some more mud.
I don't know, he wanted mud. Well, I can shoot him if I want.
Hey, look, there's another one.
Don't take it. That's one mine. I'm gonna shoot you.
You can have the other one.
No, no, you get the other one. I don't want mud.
What? How'd I get the cops on?
Somebody's on his John. I'm gonna go hit that van. We're gonna join him. Go. Why? I'm talking to him. I'm gonna hit this man. This will be so awesome. I'm gonna do it myself. Okay, you know it's not. Okay, yeah. I have, yeah. Everybody get it done. I'm still on the game. What game?
Yeah, I
is it?
cannot join.
Me neither. I don't know who that kid is. Not fun. I said I didn't know. It's not him. This is, I got a green one.
You got a green one.
And I got a green 4-wheeler. Look. Look.
gotta get this four-wheeler before I die.
Oh, is that the thing where he grabs my leg? Yes. And he does, oh my god. Well, how do you keep that balance on the ladder? Dude, what color do you got?
The one you had before you, the silver one.
I'm gonna find that skate park thing and he's gonna go hit some ass on there. Instead of here it is. Actually, since you got a lot of speed, what touch on me? What can I do? I want to fucking. I got a cop on me, so.
Me too.
I don't even know how.
Probably because you're around me.
I'm gonna have him off me, like, it's that easy to get him off me. Stop it, Corbin. That was basically what I just did. I wish you could see it. Are you still making a YouTube video?
Yeah, it's still going.
Oh, wow. Hey. Sam.
What?
You still making that video?
Yeah, I'm still making a video.
I'm trying not on it, but I'm not there because I'm doing great. Hard one. Oh, I want a gray one. Wait, do I want a green or a gray? I'll stick with the green. Stop it, Corbin. Did you get the cops off of you? Did you do that?
No, almost.
If you want to start running, stop. Corbin, move it. I don't. No, Corbin, don't. That's when you're gonna run the stack up. I have it perfect. I got stuff around me. Grab your gun.
Got the cops off of me.
Me too. Me too. I'm still at the skate park thing. I'm trying to hit a front flip, but I can't indoors.
Really?
You're laying right on top of me. You landed right on top of me.
Sup, old hillbilly, look at him up. Boom.
But yeah, see, dude. And you got the same gun.
Woo!
Look what I did to these benches.
Where?
Over here where I am.
What benches? Benches.
It's my airplane. And you're trying to mess me up for me. I shouldn't do it dead. Don't touch it. Don't.
Dude, why's he gotta be in there with you? That's.
Don't do that. I'm gonna shut my door another day.
You hear me?
And think. And then I forgot to bring the news again.
Why's he gotta be in there with you? Oh, I just almost hit a front flip.
I'm like so close to it. It's just I can't get like enough speed. So I'm trying to
Like you,
like it
dude,
won't
I
do
know
the
how you can do a front flip. Come here, come over here to me.
I am. I'm following. I'm gonna get that shot.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. I didn't even spin enough.
Gangster. I did. Camping. It ain't doing the whole like turn like 360. I think it's gonna do.
That's why you gotta go faster.
Gang, sit down.
What?
You wanna go camping on the game?
Yeah, come on. Alright, I'm going.
After this race. Get your camper, bro. Camper.
I don't have
We're
any
going camping,
anymore.
what?
Alright, I'll get my.
Camping. Okay, can I go camping? Dude, it's cruising car, yeah.
Oh, look at this freaking car. Look at this car, dude.
Another white one? Oh,
I'm getting it. No, I'm getting this.
I did. You gotta do it up for a four-wheeler?
Yeah, I don't want that stupid four-wheeler. This is freaking
I do.
faster than a freaking four-wheeler. I bet y'all can
That's
jump that
racing.
shark with this car. I bet y'all can jump this shark with. I mean, this car. I bet y'all can jump that shark with this car.
Okay, I bet you I can jump that shark with freaking four-wheeler.
Woo!
I don't even know where the shark went. Just like, guys.
Look, dude, come over here to the skating park. Come look at this. Come watch this.
I don't think you're gonna be able to get in it with that thing though. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Can't believe this just happened. You guys already know what truck I'm bringing in my 6x6. That like always like.
Rum. 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 Rum.
Down here.
Rum. Rum.
When is the bill gonna end? Sam?
What?
When is this bill gonna end, bro?
Until like maybe like in 2 hours.
Dude, I bet it's like dark outside at my place, and I check the time right now. It's 6:28, 6:24 at my house.
Yeah, it's dark.
Really?
But it's dark at my house too.
It's like 9. Oh, that's when I gotta go to bed. Gangsters, let me invite your game now, hurry.
Okay.
And sorry, card you gangsters. It's 9:24 where I am. It's 6:24 too at my place. Oh, I got a yellow four-wheeler.
I hate yellow.
I'm not gonna say nothing. Yellow looks like pee.
Yellow.
Yellow looks like
Little,
pee.
little.
Look, Moot don't know how to say it.
I say it fast.
Oh, I just did 360 with a car.
I grab my truck. I do all backwards with my truck.
Dude, come look at this. Dude, come over here and look at this. Watch this. I'm about to do full 360.
A front flip?
No, like flips.
Yeah, I know. Like, what flip?
I don't know yet. Hold on. Dang, wrong way.
Don't hit me, dude.
I'll try not to.
Guys, you know I got a gold knife at my house. You know I'm playing on freaking smart TV.
Are you gonna come watch me?
I can go in my living room and put it on the 65-inch. So, wait, is it a smart TV? Yeah, it's literally a big freaking smart TV. If you want to put some smart TV, big. I can go upstairs and play it on there. I put it 75 inch. I don't know. Yeah.
Now watch this. Not that.
This car I got stuck. I'm not gonna get my whole
watch me?
Oh, no, I gotta go to my photo. We're fighting, God. I really want to do something like, let's like make a new video of camping, guys.
Alright, let me end this video. And that's the end of the video. Peace out.
How long?
And peace out, y'all. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I'm out.